A comfortable maintenance-free Brick Rambler with basement in sought-after Ferry Farms. New windows throughout, wood floors throughout, fresh/newly painted throughout. Gorgeous new 42 inches hickory cabinets in kitchen with tons of storage, stainless steel undermount deep sink and a new gas stove. Door egress from kitchen leads to a patio as well as a small deck area which leads directly to a huge 2-car garage. Master bedroom has an updated half bath and all 3 bedrooms have ceiling fans. Hall bath newly updated and has a laundry chute. The large living/dining combination allows for a dining area, yet leaves more than ample room for furniture in both areas plus a hidden pocket door between kitchen and dining area. Attic has R40 insulation for lower utility cost in both winter and summer as well as an attic fan. Basement family room is paneled and can be made into a huge 4th bedroom or, as it stands, can be used as an office/library. The unfinished portion of the basement contains a walk-in closet for additional storage, has a double utility sink, washer and dryer, new water heater, built-ins and rough-in for another bath. Fenced yard plus